Making au gratin potatoes from scratch. Slice my potatoes using my mandolin. Making my bechamel, so I can go ahead and add some cheddar to it for my cheese sauce. Keep stirring so it doesn't burn. Bechamel is just a fancy way of saying white gravy. So, white gravy. Stir, stir, stir. You know it's ready when you dip it in. Pull it out and it coats the back of your spoon. If you can run your hand across it, it's ready. Yummy. Let's go to the next step. Okay, so I've got the potatoes coated with my bechamel. I'm going to put this in my pre-greased pan. I've coated it with some, I guess, butter flavored shortening. You can use a cooking spray, you can use butter, you can use butter flavored shortening. Just do something so it doesn't stick and it's not too bad for cleanup. You can use parchment paper, you can use foil. I wouldn't use foil too much actually, so use something other than the foil. I'm going to put this in. I will put some cheese on top of it, probably about a cup to a cup and a half. I will let you know in the description box how much that I use of each ingredient throughout the whole process. Then I'll bake it and then I'll add some more on top of it later. And this is what we're having for dinner. So this is how I do my potatoes au gratin. Hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think. All right, so here we go. Steamy.